Hey, it's Phil. In this video, I'm going to show you the Learndash Black Friday 2023 deals to show you exactly what you can get. Now, I've been waiting for this for quite some time and it hasn't disappointed. What you can get is actually 40% off all products inside of Learndash. But there is a little bit of a caveat with that, so let me explain what you will see. So first of all, if you come to the products tabs, basically they're going to give you 40% on each and every type of product inside of the Learndash ecosystem, which is absolutely amazing. Now, me personally, I am looking at getting Learndash Cloud because I have seen a few people struggling with hosting, especially if they're using providers that focus on websites instead of focusing on membership platforms. So I'm going to get the Learndash Cloud. But what I did notice is they are really pushing the yearly plans versus pushing the monthly plans. So let me show you exactly what I mean. If you go to the pay annually in the starter, you'll be looking at paying $15 a month instead of $25 a month. So a really nice discount over there of 40%. But if you try to pay monthly, there is actually no discount at all. You will just be paying $29 per month. So what I imagine is all of the annual plans will be at the 40% discount rate. All the monthly plans will just be a normal price, but that is amazing. You will still get an incredible deal. $15 a month. There is nothing like it on the internet, and you can worry about it next Black Friday when it's time to renew. So that's it, guys. That is the Learndash Black Friday 2023 deals. Make sure you check them out. Once again, link is in the description if you want to help support the channel. But that's it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.